This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.
If you've been following Road Warriors tonight as the decider, this is week 7. The top scoring teams, including ties, go into week 8 in the finals, and from there they'll battle out for first, second and third.
Road Warriors, Battle 1.
In the first battle tonight, we see Blue Line Racing in America Muscle go up against Po' Boy Racing in the Nitro Rider. 112.8 grams against 60 grams. This is race 1. First to win 2 wins the battle. Nitro Rider. Oh, America Muscles over. Po' Boy Racing in the Nitro Rider comes in at a 9.24. Takes out the first win in Battle 1. Checking out this first race, you can see the Nitro Rider swinging down low. He has the advantage down Mount Western Straight. America Muscle trying to play catch up, but it's Po' Boy and that Nitro Rider across the line. Road Warriors swap lanes here. Nitro Rider has the inside advantage. America Muscle takes out race 2 with a help from his mate, the Nitro Rider. All squared out of race 2. There's the Nitro Rider just stuck after the finish line. This is what we came here to see, a nice battle out of race 2. There goes America Muscle all over the track, really commanding his presence here. Look at this line he takes, but he just can't hold on. Hits the sidewall. Nitro Rider just slams into him and pushes him across the line. All squared up, battle 1. America Muscle putting his foot down and gets across the line in the 9.13. The Nitro Rider trying to play catch up. Blue Line Racing in America Muscle get the bonus point. They win that battle. And there's Po' Boy Racing struggling in the first battle tonight. Look at this. This is really anyone's race right here going into turn 1. They both hit that sidewall, and it looks like America Muscle just has the speed and the advantage. But look at Po' Boy. He's got this late swing on him. America Muscle all the way and takes out the first battle tonight in a 2-1, and he gets the extra point for the battle win.
Road Warriors, Battle 2.
That's right, this is Battle 2. We see Super Zero Racing in that Buffalo go up against Mr. Bean, my Hot Wheels collection. Race 1, Battle 2. First to win 2 takes out the battle. Super Zero Racing in the Buffalo take out the first race in a 10.02. Mr. Bean coming in with a very late charge and bouncing backwards. Have a look at Mr. Bean in this manoeuvre. There he is on the outside, swings in on the inside, can't recover, does a big 360. And the Buffalo picks the gap nicely. Nice swing down low, perfect line out of that turn 2 and takes race 1. Cars swap lanes. Mr. Bean has the inside advantage. Mr. Bean slicing through the track. Oh, and a late charge there by the Buffalo. Mr. Bean comes in at a 9.12 in tonight's Road Warriors. All squared out of race 2. Mr. Bean gets a great start out of the start gate, and from here he is unstoppable. He's able to pick the line, and the Buffalo's just left in his dust trying to play catch up. Mr. Bean. This is race 3, the decider in battle 2. Mr. Bean gets across the line first in a 9.16. This should put Mr. Bean in outright third after that battle win. Super Zero Racing in that mighty Buffalo trying to play catch-up. Let's check this replay out. Both are pretty even down the back. Mr. Bean decides to go wide and then takes the inside. Very unusual. This has paid off and it puts him right in front with the Buffalo trying everything he can to pass him. Look at this here, he gets right on his tail. Look at this. Oh, he just hasn't got the juice to overtake him and take out that battle. This is what we came here to see, the Battle of the Giants. There you go, Mr. Bean wins battle 2. A 2-1 and he gets that bonus point. This should see him in outright third.
Road Warriors, battle 3.
In this battle, we have the Caddy Truck, who is currently outright second, goes up against Redline Salvage Inc., who is leading the Road Warriors in that mighty Ford GT weighing 88 grams. First to win 2 takes out that battle. .100 Proof Racing gets across the line only just in the Caddy Truck in a 9.05, helped on by Redline Salvage Inc. and the Ford GT. Let's go to the replay on this one. We pick up the action out of turn 1 and it's the Caddy Truck all the way. Not too sure what happened, he's taken that low turn and yeah, as you can see, he's hit that sidewall, was unable to recover and just blocks the Ford GT, who pushes him across the line for an easy win. Race 2, cars swap lanes. The Ford GT has the inside advantage. All 100 Proof Racing in the Caddy Truck does the big upset, ladies and gentlemen. This means both these guys are equal first in the first Road Warriors ever. Wow! Let's take it back to the start there. It's the Ford GT just slightly in front going into turn 1. Coming out though, he just can't control the car and some savage blocking there by Redline Salvage Inc. I'm not surprised after that last race, but check this late charge out by the Caddy Truck. He's right there hanging. Wham! Off he goes and he gets across the line. Now this changes everything going into Road Warriors Week 8. 100 Proof Racing in the Caddy Truck have won battle 3. They are now equal first with Redline Salvage Inc. driving the Ford GT. So that means next week, Week 8, we have these two guys going head to head again to see who will take out the title in the first ever Road Warriors.
Road Warriors, battle 4.
This is battle 4 and the last for tonight in Road Warriors and also the last for week 7. If Reckless Robbie wins this, they stand outright 4th. If Hot Car Track and that Supervan win, they will be tied with Mr. Bean, my Hot Wheels collection, going into week 8 for a playoff for 3rd place. Hot Car Track takes out race 1 and battle 4 in a 9.11. One more win to square everything up with Mr. Bean for the battle next week. And there's Reckless Robbie in the Nissan. He needs to pick his game up tonight if he has any chance. Check out Reckless Robbie right on the heels of that Supervan. He's just not letting him out of his sight. But coming out of turn 1, it's a Hot Wheels Supervan all the way. Just floors it, has a nice line out of that turn 2, and Reckless just can't keep up. Race 2, battle 4, car swap lane. Reckless Robbie has the inside advantage. All the Hot Wheels Supervan is down, ladies and gentlemen. Here comes Reckless Robbie across the line in a slow time of a 10.20 and squares everything up out of race 2 in battle 4. And there's a Hot Wheels Supervan right on his side. Oh, some fantastic racing right here on Road Warriors. Let's go to the replay and see exactly what happened out of that turn. Some stunning driving there by Reckless in that Nissan. Goes down low and the Hot Wheels van almost pushes him out of the bank. But look what happened here. The super van's all over the track and he's gone sideways. Look at this little gap that Reckless sees. Picks that line perfectly and squares everything up out of race 2, battle 4. This is it, race 3, the decider, battle 4. The Hot Wheels Supervan, oh, and he's over. The Hot Wheels Supervan comes in at a 9.06, and he now goes into the finals of week 8, all squared up with Mr. Bean. And there's Reckless Robbie behind that wheel of that mighty Nissan. Have a look at the Supervan, all over the track, goes high, hits low, hits a side. I'm surprised he's not over on his side again. Reckless is trying to catch up, but there's no way. It's the Supervan. There's too much power and weight going on here. And he gets across the line and he's into the finals of week 8. A very important battle for both teams and drivers then. However, it's the Hot Wheels Supervan, gets a 2-1 and scores that extra bonus point on battle 4. Here's the final standings after week 7. Week 8 is the finals and we're only looking for 1st, 2nd and 3rd place. As you can see here, Redline Savage Inc. and 100 Proof Racing are both on 18 points. They will battle it out for 1st and 2nd place. My Hot Wheels Collection and Hot Car Track are both tied for 13 points and they're going to battle it out for 3rd place. A big thank you to Blue Line Racing, NZ Racing, Bowboy Racing and Super Zero Racing for a fabulous 7 weeks of Road Warriors right here in Sydney, Australia. Stay tuned for next week. This is week 8, the finals of Road Warriors. Also, a big thank you to our sponsors for Season 1. Please go check them out on all their social media platforms.
This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.